Hi, welcome back. In this video I'm going to refine this area a little bit more. So let's delete this row. I just extrude too much there. So this is my, you can say this shape of this eye here, and this area, the eyebrow and this shape. So I'm going to adjust like that. So let's go to the vertex mode and just went there and just select the sphere behind there. So I'm going to put like this. So I'm just following this line here, and this should be my eyebrow here. So let's go, and this eyebrow should come forward at least these 3 points area. So it should come forward like this, and the eye is inside that socket. Okay, so just move this area a bit. And the eye shape itself isn't perfect right now, so we don't have to do perfect things here inside Maya because we are going to do a lot of works inside ZBrush. So still I want to make it looks like an eye here, so just okay and move those things. And this area of the eye should go backward, means this side of the face. There isn't anything here like coming forward there. I'm just trying to refine it, and then I'm going to put some depth there to the eyelid area. And I think now before I put the depth, I should move this corner a little bit inside and bring this line back. Let's extrude this loop here. So just move with this blue axis and get the depth there. Then I'm going to extrude again, so that the skin shouldn't stop here, it should go like this. So it's this part of the eyelid is basically a thick skin, so we are going to extrude it again. So let's click here or press G again, and again I'm going to extrude with this blue line. So now you can see it's going inside like this, like a real skin should, like going on top of the eyeball like this. Okay, so now I have something there just as the thickness of the eye. I think it should more pronounced, that thickness should be more pronounced a little bit, yeah, like this. So it's looking better now. I'm going to extrude these two edges, and now it's gonna like this to the nose, bridge of the nose. So I'm going to do that. So let's scale it to straighten off a little bit. You don't have to like straight it perfectly. So then this is the bridge of the nose, so it should like come forward here. So you can imagine the nose and the eye here. So again, this is just here. Then I'm going to extrude it again by shift right clicking and by using the marking menu, or you can use from anywhere. So let's move this. Now you can see my reference isn't at the perfect center, so I'm going to like move the reference. Now let's go to object mode, select the background reference, select the x-axis, go close. Now you can see I don't have the move tool here, but I can move it in x-axis because I have selected the axis here just by clicking just on top of this arrow. You can select it. You can go to anywhere. Even if you don't see the manipulator, you can hold your middle mouse and then move your mouse left or right to actually use that manipulator. You can see. Okay, so then I'm going to move this line here, or I can just scale it to lined off exactly vertically, and then I can use this snap to grid option, then move in that particular direction to snap that line, then turn up this. Okay, so now I have the bridge of the nose here. I think it should go a little backwards to create that round shape there. Okay, like this. So you can just imagine like I'm like creating the skin. So let's do like this. So this is my eyebrow, and now I'm going to select the whole loop except these two half center line. You can see this is the half center. except these two, this whole loop I'm going to extrude, and I'm going to use, I think I can use this blue axis, which is the local jet, like this. And if I use that, it's gonna like move like this. I think it's better to undo and scale it. Just go to your scale tool and scale it like this. So it's odd here, but I can always like deselect some part and then move it, maybe just these two, and obviously you can move and adjust your individual vertex. Always this line should be lined up so that when I mirror, I won't get any like merging issue or something like that. So now you can see I'm truly creating an animated object here, animated model. The loop is perfect, but here we don't have to be concerned about the loop because it's just for a high poly model. Yeah. So I think I should stop the lesson here. In the next lesson, we are going to do the nose part.